Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to edit designs idea on PowerPoint or Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So the first thing that you need to do is to open your PowerPoint presentation and follow these steps. So here I have or I need to open the designer mode or the designer window. Either you can go to the designer after opening a blank image and choose from these designs and start to scrolling and re-rolling the designs, or you can just go to the file menu and just click on new, and you will have multiple designs that you want and go for the themes, and you can choose from the designs. Let's just choose this one, and this one is already just an image. So we will go to the shape outline and just have it like this. So we need first to have some designs that are editable, because not all of them are editable, because this one is only an image. So let's search for a file and go to the new and search for presentations or themes. Let's have just themes to have only few. Let's go for example this one, and or let's go back presentations and have, for example, whatever this one, and create, and I'm going to create this one. And as you can see, this is they are editable. So you can change, for example, this image. You can just double click on it and have another image inside of this one, or you can create, for example, a hexagon and put an image, insert an image inside it, and edit your uh, presentations and give them all the ideas that you want. You can just play with the presentation, or you can do something similar to it, like having creating same shapes, or just taking ideas like from the charts. You can edit everything here, like add in your informations. You can add your picture on it. So you will have to insert an image inside the hexagon, so you will need to insert the hexagon and make image inside it, etc, etc. So the most of the designs are editable like this way, and you will add your own image and have it like that, and uh, simply that's it. So thank you for watching, and see you next time.